Hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Bull Run, where we talk about the latest and hottest crypto news. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be the first to hear about them. Today we'll be talking about the recent crypto and Bitcoin crash. Is it fatal? Do tell me what you think in the comments below. So, the first article that I would like to talk about today is 5 reasons Bitcoin and Ethereum plummeted 15% in a single day. So, Bitcoin and Ether fell 15 and 20% respectively one day, but why so much and so quickly? 5 factors likely caused the price of Bitcoin and Ether to steeply drop in a single day, including mass liquidation, an overheated futures market, the decline of kimchi premium, way of selling, and concerns over United States President Joe Biden's tax plans. Overcrowded futures market sees 4 billion worth of liquidations. On April 23rd, in a 24-hour span, the cryptocurrency market saw over 4 billion worth of positions liquidated. According to BIBT, a data analytics platform, the Bitcoin market is currently majority short, with short positions accounting for about 54%. This suggests that in the past day, billions worth of long positions were liquidated, leaving a lot of short positions open. Data also shows that the open interest in the Ether futures market reached an all-time high on CME, indicating that the Ethereum futures market was also getting overcrowded. The open interest in Bitcoin futures similarly spiked before the price of Bitcoin dropped. Now, both Ether and Bitcoin are in a better position to recover because their open interests have collectively dropped. Bitcoin in particular saw its future open interest on Binance, which consistently records the highest derivative trading volume on 4BTC, dropped to levels unseen since March 8th. Kimchi premium hit 0%. As the price of Bitcoin and Ether plummeted, the Kimchi premium in South Korea fell back down to 0%. The premium is now over 4%, but the South Korean cryptocurrency exchange market saw a steep sell-off following a negative statement from the nation's financial watchdogs. On April 22nd, Oin Sung-soo, Financial Commissioner of South Korea, said that the government is taxing cryptocurrency, but that are not financial assets and the government would not protect them. The unexpected statement from South Korea's financial watchdog likely led to a major sell-off in the South Korean cryptocurrency exchange market, causing the Kimchi premium to collapse. Small to medium-sized whales are selling. On April 20th, the Material Indicators team, which tracks the trade flow of Bitcoin on major exchanges, said that small to medium-sized whales were selling. The analyst said, while 1 million people keep buying dips no matter what, $1 million people keep buying dips no matter what, 100k to 1 million guys have set lower highs and lower lows on their order flow. This trend was particularly significant because large whales were accumulating Bitcoin in the same period. The selling pressure put on by small to medium-sized whales, who were selling between $100,000 and $1 million worth of Bitcoin on major exchanges, intensified the short-term downturn of Bitcoin. Biden tax concerns. The timing of the Bitcoin price plunge also considered with the release of US President Biden's plans to raise taxes on wealthy individuals. The US stock market dropped, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average declining by more than 1% in a single trading session on April 22nd. Holger Rzepiec, a market analyst at Wealth, said at the same. Ouch! Dow plunges 400 points on fears of higher capital gain taxes. BBG reports that Biden is planning a capital gain tax hike to as high as 43.4% for wealthy Americans. Proposal would hike capital gains rate to 39.6% for those earning more than 1 million, up from 20% currently. So as we can see, there were a few reasons why the cryptocurrency fell, and taking into account that Joe Biden's notification as well, those were some of the reasons why this happened. But it's not all doom and gloom, as there are some positive notes from some government positions in the United States as well. So firstly, the governing body of Louisiana gives Bitcoin its nod of approval. Louisiana recently gave a shout out to Bitcoin's success in a new resolution. Bitcoin has gained increasing levels of adoption over the past several months amid its rise past $60,000. The government of the US state of Louisiana recently released a resolution which it noted some Bitcoin's accomplishments. Therefore, be it resolved that the House of Representatives or Legislature of Louisiana does hereby commend Satoshi Nakamoto for his contribution to economic security, said House Resolution number 33 from Representative Mark Wright. According to an article from The Hill, the document was signed on Thursday. The shout-out to anonymous Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto came after the document gave BTC a pat on the back for its success in terms of adoption and market capitalization. The first lines of the resolution read, To commend Bitcoin for its success in becoming the first decentralized trillion-dollar asset, and to encourage the state and local governments to consider ways that could help them benefit from the increased use of this new technology. Bitcoin achieved a market cap greater than 1 trillion in early 2021. The milestone occurred following the asset's break of its 2017 record high, which it tallied in late 2020. The Louisiana document described a number of details about Bitcoin, including noting its prevalence, its decentralization, and its usage. The resolution even pointed towards the asset as a gold alternative. Bitcoin, which could potentially replace gold as a monetary reserve, is limited and finite, and there is a maximum capacity of only 21 million Bitcoin allowed to be produced, the document said. Over the past year or so, a number of companies have bought into Bitcoin as an asset, leading to increased mainstream attention. So, as we can see, some government bodies in the United States do approve of Bitcoin in general, and even saying that this could, the Bitcoin could replace gold as the main financial item, and it can definitely do so, if not already did. The third news is again another positive one from a venture capitalist. Bitcoin facilitates as a global economy, says Tim Draper. This venture capitalist continues the bullish talk on Bitcoin and some investment tips for those new to the crypto space. So, being a very big venture capitalist, he shows that he is positive with Bitcoin, and provides some statistics. It turns out that only 1 out of 14 Bitcoin wallets is owned by women, which points out that women control 85% of retail spending in the United States. Just 1%. One point I want to talk about. The other one is, last year he predicted the price of crypto assets would reach 250,000 by 2023, claiming he would eat a raw egg if it didn't. At the time of publication, BTC's price is lower, 51,000, having fallen 6% the last 24 hours. But I definitely think that he would not be eating a raw egg, and Bitcoin would definitely reach 250,000 or even more by 2023, taking into account all the news, on the bullish news, and the tendency in general. So thank you very much for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's articles and can see that it's not all doom and gloom, and Bitcoin will definitely go up again in the very soon future. So thank you very much for watching my video. All the best, and see you soon in the next one. Have a good day, and bye bye.